Welcome to Automoto Rides. In this video we will discuss about 2025 Yamaha R15. The 2025 Yamaha R15 is a significant step forward in the evolution of Yamaha's iconic R series, retaining its reputation as a high-performance, feature-packed sport bike in the entry-level segment. It features a sleek design inspired by its larger siblings, such as the Yamaha R1, with aerodynamic bodywork that enhances its sporty appeal. The aggressive twin LED headlamps and sculpted fuel tank contribute to its sharp and dynamic look, ensuring that it turns heads on the road. This iteration focuses on blending aesthetics with functionality, offering riders a machine that is both visually appealing and performance-oriented. The bike is powered by a 155cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine equipped with variable valve actuation (VVA) technology. This advanced engine delivers a peak power output of 18.1 bhp and a maximum torque of 14.2 Nm, ensuring smooth power delivery across the rev range. Coupled with a 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, the engine offers seamless shifts and reduced rear-wheel lock during aggressive downshifting. The addition of traction control enhances rider confidence, especially in challenging road conditions, while the quick shifter adds a layer of convenience for spirited riding. Built on Yamaha's renowned Delta box frame, the R15 boasts exceptional rigidity and handling characteristics. It features USD front forks and a mono-shock rear suspension, offering excellent stability and comfort. The lightweight chassis design ensures precise cornering and agility, making it an ideal companion for both city commuting and weekend track sessions. The 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in grippy tires further enhance the bike's handling prowess, providing superior traction and confidence in various riding scenarios. The 2025 Yamaha R15 comes equipped with a range of advanced features that elevate its overall riding experience. The instrument cluster now includes smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to pair their devices for features like navigation, call and message alerts, ride data tracking, and maintenance reminders. This modern touch integrates technology seamlessly into the riding experience, catering to the needs of tech-savvy riders. The digital display is highly readable and provides comprehensive information, ensuring the rider is always informed. Safety is a top priority with the 2025 R15, as it includes dual-channel ABS for controlled braking. The braking system features a single disc at both ends, providing strong and reliable stopping power. The ABS system prevents wheel lock-up during sudden braking, enhancing safety during emergency situations. Combined with its lightweight construction and agile handling, the R15 offers a confident and secure ride, even in demanding conditions. The fuel tank capacity of 11 liters ensures a decent range for daily commuting and short tours, while the curb weight of 141 kilograms makes it easy to maneuver in traffic and during parking. The ergonomics strike a balance between comfort and sportiness, with slightly aggressive clip-on handlebars and rear-set foot pegs. This setup allows for a dynamic riding posture that is suitable for both spirited rides and longer journeys, reducing fatigue for the rider. Yamaha has introduced a new full black color scheme for the 2025 R15, alongside the existing blue, gray, black, and gray, silver options. This fresh addition enhances its visual appeal, offering more choices for riders to express their style. The bike's premium fit and finish are evident in its high-quality paintwork, neatly integrated panels, and attention to detail, reaffirming Yamaha's commitment to delivering a superior product. With a competitive price point in its segment, the 2025 Yamaha R15 continues to rival models like the KTM RC200. Its combination of advanced features, powerful performance, and striking design make it a standout choice for riders seeking a sporty, reliable, and technologically advanced motorcycle. It is a testament to Yamaha's dedication to innovation and excellence in the entry-level sport bike category, maintaining its legacy while setting new benchmarks for the future.